Hello and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Most of our meditations are guided, but today we're actually going to be very focused on the presence, the clarity of emptiness. So, as always, we will start with the prayer protection and the Lord's Prayer. Say them with me. But after that, I'm just going to be silent immediately. The goal here is for you to just relax within yourself, to just be without judging. Allow your senses to feel your chair without judging it. Me, I can feel the fan blowing on my hair, not judging it, just noticing it. I'm being present to what is occurring, what the clothes feel like on my skin. Basically, after the prayer protection, you will guide yourself to relax and just invite yourself to go deep. We will stay silent in this like perfect restful place of empty clarity. Now, a much more, this is a much different, I don't want to say more difficult. It's a different, more traditional type of meditation than being guided. It is, it you can easily drift if you are not accustomed to these, and that's okay. As soon as you catch yourself thinking of, is the bell going to ring? How much longer? Am I doing this right? Just notice your breath. Don't take a deep breath. Just notice your breath. Notice how it comes and goes on its own. That is like the easiest, best way to be in this type of meditation. So let's get ready. I feel like I'm ready to say, take a deep breath. Well, let's do that. Let's take a deep breath. And of course, we say our prayers of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. as we bring our presence more into our surroundings, almost the opposite of usual, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. So I drifted because we do. And it was funny because I would drift to, how is everybody doing? And I was like, okay, that doesn't matter, back to myself. And I noticed a few things, like how quickly I could feel the energy rocking in my body, where it feels like I'm atop almost, or I'm just going back and forth. Even though I'm physically not moving, I feel like I am. And how it was like, what was it? There was one point where I thought of something and I was like, okay, come back. And I just allowed what the air felt like on my lips to be present to that for a second. Another time present to my breathing. These are much more challenging in that we're not guided. We're not actually in our mind focused on one thing. We're leaving our mind to just be focused on the present moment. Although it seems a little more difficult than the other meditations, it actually is the natural state that we should be in, which is being present. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know. Please put in some comments, like and share. If I get a few shares, I know we might want to do this one more often. In the meantime, have a great day. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.